Well, this is Smas and 5 of her babies. She has one more, and she's bringing them here in the house because this is more secure than where she had them before. I knew she was going to do this by her actions. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Gonna go get the other one. She had 6 puppies. But they're not going to be able to stay here. So I'm just going to have to... I looked up the materials to build a doghouse for them, but it's going to cost the same to just do that or to buy. Now they're almost 2 weeks old. Their eyes have not opened yet. You can see, here's this little guy. And he is a little guy. Yeah. Yeah, so he's... doesn't have his eyes opened yet. Hi, Smas. There's Mommy. She's... They don't like to be picked up. All right, well, that's that. These are our dogs. That's Smas. This is Akoi, the father. That's Blackie, number 2. The original Blackie is now in Solana. And this is Akoi. And that's it. That's all we got. No more than that. Oh, and we have one that's getting groomed. She's a Shih Tzu. She's getting groomed. We'll see you later.